Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless handheld vacuum in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Tinton Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Tinton. Dog walking type wireless vacuum cleaner, mite removal, dust collecting, LED lighting. Dog walking enjoyment. In use, the traction force from the forward is formed by the motor driving. Make the cleaning process full of restful fun. LED lighting, let the dust have no place to hide. Built-in independent motor. Cleaning and suction 2-in-1, substantially enhance the efficiency of dust collection. 270-degree flexible waving. Electric mite removal brush. Battery, 2200 mAh built-in lithium-ion battery. Suction, 8900 pascals. Charging time, 4 hours. Working time: 30 to 50 minutes. Number 4. Proscenic Rechargeable Handheld Vacuum. Brand name, Proscenic. Used brushless motor, the rotation speed can reach 80,000 revolution per minute, a suction power of up to 22,000 Pascal, a duration of up to 45 minutes. Proscenic i9 vacuum cleaners can use an infrared detector to detect the amount of dust so that they automatically adapt to the appropriate suction. The filtration system includes a premium stainless steel filter, cyclone, sponge filter and HEPA filter. The stainless steel filter consists of 0.25 mm holes that effectively filter the finest dust. LCD display on the engine, display battery for current speed and remaining battery. With 13 intellectual property and design patents, the latest innovative vacuum cleaner. Dust cup capacity: half a liter, 1 button dumping, 10 fingers do not dust. Number 3. Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner. 125,000 revolution per minute brushless motor, 26,000 Pascal vacuum, 150 Ah suction power. Double set of 4 blade for efficient hair cutting. Real-time suction display for battery percentage, remind when it is running out. One-click pop-up to release dust. Combines cutting hair, long wool and bristles, which is suitable for various floor. The multi-cone dust gas separation technology is used. Adopts a 5-layer filtering system, filters dust as small as 0.3 microns, and discharges clean. 99.9% removes the mites on the surface of the mattress and the deep layer. 60 minutes long battery life. Number 2. Jimmy Handheld Cordless Vacuum. Brand name, Jimmy. 55% high efficiency digital motor. 1 lux RPM digital motor, up to 135 Ah suction power and 55% efficiency, generates the suction power of a corded full-size vacuum. Lightweight and easy maneuverability, this Jimmy JC83 65-degree ergonomic handle angle design with 1.5 kg light handheld weight, wrist is in more comfortable during cleaning. Picks up fine dust and big debris. Anti-winding hair design, innovative combing structure, it can separate all kinds of hair from the brush roll into the dust cup during cleaning. Easy to clean pet hair without entangling around the brush roll. 60 minutes working time. There is a group of 72,500 mAh batteries to give it a long ride and then can work for 60 minutes continuously. Number 1. Roidmi Cordless Wireless Vacuum. Brand name, Roidmi. Excellent vacuum cleaner performance, multiple whirling tornado duct system powered by 1 lux RPM brushless DC motor, providing an endless true 18500 PA suction for the vacuum. 2500 mAh X8 lithium batteries, 2.5 hours charging time, up to 55 minutes runtime at the standard mode and 10 minutes in Tornado Max mode. Perfect housework helper, 270-degree large grip handle and lightweight design, 1.5 kilograms host body. Charge and storage by a 2-in-1 magnetic wall mount, fixing charging status and avoid winding. Multifunction clever brush heads. Fits any living room, office, bedroom or vehicle with a complete set of 6 cleaner heads and variety of accessories. Flexible and adjustable cleaner heads for any nooks. Automatic searchlight in dark by a photosensitive center. Stylish smart home appliances. Controllable and exclusive intelligent app, via Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.